What did you think of the last video? We got a pretty good look at the Dimensity 9500's architecture, its performance, and its power efficiency. But today, we're putting that knowledge to the test with a brand new flagship powered by the same Dimensity 9500 chip. Meet the Vivo X300 Pro. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. So, what's special about the X300 Pro? Well, it continues the legacy of the X100 series, keeping that signature Vivo design language, the big circular deco camera setup. I don't even need to describe it much. It's instantly recognizable. That tiny blue Zeiss logo in the center is the perfect finishing touch, a signature of Vivo's flagship lineup. And as for its camera performance, you probably already know what to expect. Vivo's flagships have always delivered top-tier imaging quality. But unlike the X200 Ultra, the X300 Pro comes with a flat display, making it a great choice if you prefer a straight screen experience but still want Vivo's excellent image tuning. Now let's talk about colors. All four variants of the X300 Pro look stunning. Personally, my favorite has to be the light blue version. The combination of that soft tone and the velvet glass finish looks gorgeous. This year's velvet glass feels smoother and has an ultra-fine matte texture that's really pleasant to hold. If you're into that elegant, refined look, this one will definitely catch your eye. But let's get into what most of you are curious about: performance. As Vivo's flagship for the year, the X300 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 9500, a chip that has truly impressed in both performance and efficiency. On our energy efficiency curve, the GPU scores incredibly high, actually topping the charts among current chassis. The CPU side also sees some gains, especially at higher frequencies, thanks to the new C1 Ultra Supercore. Compared to last year's X9925, both the performance ceiling and efficiency have improved, which means better gaming performance too. Alright, let's see how it actually performs in real games. Starting with Honkai's Star Rail, the X300 Pro runs the game at 756p resolution. At a room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, it easily maintains a full frame rate without breaking a sweat. When compared to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which runs the game at 795p, the X300 Pro delivers more stable frames while consuming less power, an impressive result. Its energy efficiency even surpasses that of Dimensity 9400 devices. Vivo's new scheduling strategy mainly pushes the CPU load onto that C1 Ultra Supercore, while avoiding the less efficient cores, which likely explains the excellent test results. After extended gaming, the phone's maximum surface temperature stays just above 40 degrees Celsius, which is excellent for a high-performance device. In a tougher 30 degrees Celsius 5G stress test, the X300 Pro still maintained almost full-frame gameplay, outperforming even the iPhone 17 Pro Max in temperature control. The surface temperature peaked at 48.40 Celsius, showing that Vivo's temperature management this year is quite aggressive, but effective. Next up, let's check out its performance in Genshin Impact. Currently, it supports 720p resolution, and at that setting, the X300 Pro easily maintains full frames. Power consumption during the test was around 4.86 watts, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max, also at 720p, consumed less power but ran at lower body temperatures, about 40 degrees Celsius. Finally, in honor of Kings, running at 120 frames per second, the X300 Pro averaged just 2.94 watts in power draw. That's an incredibly efficient result, outperforming both the Dimensity 9400 and 8E models. Now let's talk battery. The X300 Pro packs a 6,510 mAh battery, and in our demanding Bay 5G endurance test, it clocked an impressive 10 hours and 46 minutes. That's even longer than some phones with 7,200 mAh batteries, like last year's Honor GT Pro, and only trails behind massive 8,000 mAh devices like the iQOO Z10 Turbo. Compared to last year's X200 Pro and X200 Ultra, the improvement in battery life is huge. With this level of power efficiency and a bigger battery, 2025 might finally be the year users stop worrying about battery life altogether. Between efficient chips and smarter optimization, it's hard to find a flagship this year with poor endurance. But what really excites me about the Vivo X300 Pro is its camera system. though I can't go into details just yet since it's still under review. We've already started testing it, and trust me, once we can share those results, you'll want to see them. So for now, that's our quick preview of the Vivo X300 Pro's performance and battery life. Are you excited about Vivo's new flagship? Stay tuned for more updates on the X300 series. Both models look extremely promising in terms of overall capability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our tech community for more reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.